Hello guys, this is Pro Geek Cup 2021 by Geeks of Geeks and myself Himanshu Vatla from SRMIST. So in today's videos, I am going to explain my project idea which is Virtual Health Assistant. So let's start. Here's the index. It contains introduction, objective, features, tools and technologies used, required skill set to build the project, profile of the project, number of modules, step-by-step process to implement the project, UML diagrams, and some screenshot of the output and application in real life. Introduction. As you all know, in 21st century, the internet users are increasing drastically. And in a country like India, with a population of 1.2 billion, internet users are increased by 45 million from 2020 to 2021. India is also facing this pandemic, and it's clearly visible that India lacks medical facility. So, this virtual health assistant will be a one-step solution to all your medical problem. One of the most common problems faced by today's people is lack of knowledge of disease and a lack of immediate first aid consultation. Due to this, many people may suffer from physical and mental stress as they try to figure out their reason for the condition. In some cases, they even lost their lives and common disease become life-threatening. Now, virtual health assistant come into an action. It's a web service in which the proposed system tries to eliminate user need to figure out the disease by giving them access to a centralized clinical repository in a much interactive manner. User can also ask questions regarding their disease and even book an online and offline appointment with doctors. Our web service stores the health record of the user on a remote server. User can enter the symptoms or disease and our symptoms try to figure out it, and it will give the immediate action that user can take. It may be some home remedies or some emergency medicine. In the end, a precise prescription is generated. What this web service can't ensure is the accuracy of the health condition that the service arrived at, and thus in such case a physician must be contacted. Taking that case into a condition, there's one more feature in this web service, that is online video appointment in case of emergency. And user can also book an offline appointment near their location. Our web service is verified by authenticated doctors and physicians. This makes it different from the existing system. It has user-friendly interface and it's more accurate than existing system. Why? Because in this, personal allergies are taken into account while recommending prescription to the user and patient. It also includes online medicine delivery and online medical testing right at your doorstep. In our web service, there's a special section for COVID-19 in which user can book their vaccination slots and COVID testing depending upon their location. Also, there's a complete treatment user can do at their home by the certified doctor. It also includes COVID resources section in which user can able to get emergency medicine and other resources like oxygen supply nearby their location. Objective. First, to give immediate and proper medication so that anyone with internet facility can have access to it regardless of their time and place. Second, to reduce the gap between users and doctor through online video facilities. Third, to help user to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Fourth, to reduce paperwork and automate the existing system. Features. First, proper and precise medication. Our web service holds the health record of the patient on the remote server and is verified by authenticated doctors. In this, personal allergies are taken into account while recommending prescription to the user and patient. Second, COVID-19. There is a special section for COVID-19 in our web service from where user can book their vaccination slots nearby their area. It also provides home treatment for mild COVID symptoms. There's also COVID resources section from where user can get oxygen cylinder and emergency medicine. Online and offline appointment. Another feature of our web service is online appointment, in which user can book a video call with doctors. They can also book an offline appointment with the doctors nearby their location. online medicine delivery. There is a feature of online medicine delivery in collaboration with few pharmacies. User can order the prescribed medicine right at their doorstep. Fifth, 24 by 7 support. Our web service provides 24 by 7 support to all users. They can use it anytime and anywhere. Tools and technology used. First, HTML. Second, CSS. Third, JavaScript. Fourth, jQuery. Fifth, MySQL. Sixth, PHP. Seventh, API. Eighth, machine learning. Ninth, WordPress. 10th, Photoshop. 11th, Git and GitHub. Required skill set to build the project. First, deep knowledge of the full stack web development. Second, basic knowledge of machine learning. Third, intermediate knowledge of photo editing and video editing. Fourth, knowledge of Git and GitHub. Fifth, proper knowledge of web architecture. Profile of web service. First, patient. Patient have access to their health record, their past assessment, as well as access to the new symptom assessment. Patient can also book appointments and order medicine. Second, doctors. Doctors have access to their patient health records and can also see their appointments. Pharmacies. Various pharmacies have access to the prescription of the patient. Should the patient want to order the medicine online? If yes, these pharmacies can deliver the prescribed medicine to the patient right at their doorstep. Number of modules. Given below are the modules present in our web service. First, login. Second, sign up. Third, home page. Fourth, diet page. Fifth, exercise page. Sixth, health details. Seventh, new symptoms assessment. Eighth, assessment history. Ninth, COVID-19. 10th, prescription. 11th, medicine delivery. 12th, mail report. 13th, appointment page. Step-by-step process to implement the project. Here we are not going to code this project. We are only giving the general way to implement the project. So first step is to design the user interface of the project, which means how the project is gonna look like in real. Second, second step is to code the front end of the web service using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. Third, third step is to code the backend part of the website. We can use PHP to write backend code. Fourth, then we connect our web service to the database. We can use MySQL to create a database for our web service. Fifth, the last step is to host our web service on the web server. UML diagrams. So here is the entity relationship diagram, and I think it's almost clearly visible how it's working. So this is virtual health assistant, which belongs to patient and doctors. Patient have patient email, name, ID, address, and health records, and doctor have doctor ID, name, mobile number, and its specialization. Patient can book an appointment, and doctor will accept the appointment. Appointment will have appointment ID, appointment type, whether it's online and offline, appointment time, and appointment date. User can also book a medicine, and it's a medicine type, medicine amount, medicine expiry date, and pharmacy will receive the order, and pharmacies will have pharmacy ID, pharmacy address, and pharmacy email. At the last, patient will be issued two things. One is prescription and other is bill. Prescription will have prescription ID and prescription date. Bill will have bill number, bill amount, and bill discount. So here is the system architecture design. On the client, there will be UI component classes and host machine. And whereas in server, it's contain database for clinical vocabulary, clinical data repository, question repository, and user info. Some screenshot of the output. So here's a home page. It contains home, COVID-19, remedies, diet, access, make, appointment. So it's showing here, I am your virtual health assistant. It's a it's a make appointment page. Here you are going to enter your name, your email, your phone number, appointment date, select department, select doctor, and some message. It is optional. Application in real life. Many times people are suffering from alignment, but they don't know what must be done firsthand. Instead, they try to freak out immediately and try to contact the hospital. Thus, they don't know the standard procedure of the first aid. Our web service will eliminate this problem by giving step-by-step procedure. Like our country is facing this pandemic, our web service will contain an online video appointments in which user can get a prescription from our specialized doctor and physician. Not only this, user can also get online medicine delivery right at their doorstep. During an emergency situation, our web service will provide the location and contact number of the nearby medical facilities. This web service uses the latest technology and machine learning algorithms to process the data given by the user and generate the diet and exercise chart that help the user to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Thank you.